welcome here. Now today's video, as you can see from the title of the video, is an all morning cleaning with me. I had my two little helpers all morning. They definitely prolonged the process, but they had tons of fun and I was just happy they were happy. If you guys would like to see what all we did, then please continue to watch.
Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
Okay, we've got Ray working on the laundry. And we've got Reese doing the dishes. Uh-huh.
My skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. It will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open,
really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I
Alright, so that wraps up my all morning cleaning with me. I hope you guys found some motivation and some entertainment from today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you aren't already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and join my channel so you never miss an upload from me. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed day.
or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing